Withdrawing money from your iCloud account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your iCloud account. Visit the iCloud website and log in using your Apple ID and password. Ensure you have completed any necessary account verification steps. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section related to payment methods or account balance to find your available funds. Step 3. Choose withdrawal option. In the account settings, look for an option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw money or transfer funds. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Select withdrawal method. You will be prompted to choose a withdrawal method. Options may include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Select the method that suits you best and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and complete withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and method. Once you confirm everything is correct, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw money from your iCloud account after an account review. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.